Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the second episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2024. It's a beautiful fall morning outside, so I figured why not make a nice cozy breakfast. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of y'all some homemade pumpkin pancakes. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these, and loaded with pumpkin and spices. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, semi-homemade butter pecan cake. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your pumpkin, your fall spices, and heat up your griddle sugar, because we're about to cook some pumpkin pancakes magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. We need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And I'm using my favorite flour, White Lily, a Southern baker's best friend. So we're going to start with my 1 cup measurement, and we're going to fluff it up. And level it off. Voila, perfect cup. And we're going to pour it into my large bowl and sifter. Now we need 1/2 cup. Again, fluff it up. And level it off. And a perfect 1/2 cup. And into our flour, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of white sugar. And of course, our yummy fall spices and leveling. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of table salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/4 of a teaspoon each of ground nutmeg, ground cloves, and ground allspice. And sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my medium bowl, we're going to add in 1 extra large egg, 1 cup of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. And into our egg and milk, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, that's 2 cupfuls. And 1 cup of pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie mix. And I also have a recipe for homemade pumpkin puree. I'll post the link to that video down below in the description box. And whisk everything together until it's well blended. Uh-oh, I forgot one more ingredient. 4 tablespoons of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil. And give it a whisk. Alright, my friends, now we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Give it a whisk until it's well incorporated. And be careful not to overmix. The aroma smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Smells like fall. Alrighty, my friends, our pancake batter is complete. Look at that beautiful orange color. So now I'm going to set this aside while I heat up my griddle. Alrighty, I've got my griddle nice and hot. You can also cook these in the skillet. So now I'm going to spray my griddle with cooking spray, or you can grease it with butter. Now we are ready to cook the pancakes. So we're going to add 1/3 cup of the batter and just scoop it right onto the griddle, like so. So now we're going to let the pancakes cook on one side for about 3 minutes. You'll see some bubbles on top. Alrighty, time to flip the pancakes. Here we go. Gorgeous! Nice and golden brown. So now I'm going to add some butter on top. Oh, ain't nothing like the smell of pancakes cooking. Now we're going to let the pancakes finish cooking on the other side, and then I'll fix me up a plate and we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I am through cooking my pancakes, and I have 3 on my plate, and there's a few more things we got to add to them. A drizzling of maple syrup, a dollop of fresh whipped cream, and I'll post a link to my whipped cream recipe down below in the description box, and the sprinkling of ground cinnamon right on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends, pumpkin pancakes. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that texture. Look at that. Have a bite. Light and fluffy, decadent, and I can taste the pumpkin and the spices. Definitely screams fall. These pumpkin pancakes are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Pumpkin pancakes licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy fall.